Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about a question that most of you have been asking. Is a career in data analytics the right fit for you? Or you're wondering, should you actually go into data analytics? You are wondering if it's something you can do. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you 6 things that will help you to know if a career in this field is the right fit for you. So if you're interested in this topic, then stay to the end of this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get started. Number 1, are you naturally inquisitive or curious? Are you naturally curious or inquisitive? So data analytics is a career that you need to have this skill, you need to have this ability. Are you the kind of person that like to know why behind things? You just don't like accepting things at face value. You want to know why something happened. Then this career is the right fit for you, because data analytics, when you are doing your analysis, you have to observe patterns, anomalies, and trends. There are things you have to do all the time. So you need to have the ability to be curious. You need to be a curious person, someone that's inquisitive, that like to ask questions, that like to know why something is in a particular way. Okay, if you're someone that you're not, you don't care about whatever you're being given to, you're okay with it, then you need to be curious and very inquisitive. It's a very important skill that a data analyst need. So ask yourself, are you curious? Are you inquisitive? Do you want to know the why behind things? Do you like going deeper, diving deeper into things to know what happened and why it happened? Do you like looking at trends? Do you like looking at patterns? Do you like looking at anomalies? You just know what's going on. Then if you are like that, this field is the right fit for you. For instance, let's say you are working with a customer behavior data. You have to find out, okay, you notice that you have to be curious enough to know, there's a spike in revenue last month. There was a spike in revenue last month, and you have to be curious. Ask questions like, why was there a spike? Is it due to the promotion that was done last month? Is it seasonal? You would like to find out why there was a spike. And you find it interesting. You actually want to find out. You are curious. Really want to know why this happened, so that you can help businesses repeat the same thing to actually get a spike in revenue of their business the current month or the next month. So this is why it's very important for you to be naturally curious and inquisitive. Number 2, do you have analytical mindset? Are you a natural analytical thinker? Right? Because data analytics, when you are doing your analysis, you have to always break down complex ideologies or complex problems into simpler, understandable terms. You have to look deep into problems to be able to break it down, right? You have to be an analytical thinker. You have to be able to analyze situations, to actually break it down, to make it easier for people to understand. So are you naturally an analytical thinker? Like me, I have this ability. I'm a natural analytical thinker. Those kind of people that if you tell them one word, they will analyze that word and bring out things that you do not even mean in those words, right? They will say, so that means, what you mean is, they tend to dig deep into things. They don't just take things at face value. They take to think deep about things and break things down into smaller, understandable terms. Those kind of people. Are you like that? Do you like analyzing things? Well, you also need to know that these things is not compulsory that you have them naturally. You can still learn them. There are skills you can still learn, right? So you don't be so scared or discouraged that, okay, you are not that way. You can learn how to be an analytical thinker. So ask yourself, am I an analytical thinker? Do I have an analytical mind? If not, then if you want to go into this field, you have to learn how to develop analytical thinking mindset. So number 3, the third thing is, are you a problem solver? So data analysis is actually, it just involves solving problems with data. So are you a natural problem solver? Are you the kind of person that when your friends need help, they need a solution to a problem, they come to you? There are some people that's natural, like if you need a solution to a problem, you just know who to go to. Maybe if you have 3 of friends or 4 or so on, you just know the kind of the people that if you have a problem and you need a solution, you just go to them. Those kind of people. Are you a problem solver? And it's actually a mindset. Do you solve problems? When a problem comes to you, do you look for a way to solve them or provide solution to them, or you just complain or nag and join people that just complain, that don't do anything about problems? Are you that kind of person? So because data analysis is basically solving problems with data, right? It's solving problems with data. Let's say in a company now, the sales are not doing well, the sales are declining. You as a data analyst, you have to be the one to solve that problem. The problem will be presented to you. You have to use data to solve the problem. So you need to be a problem solver. You need to have that mindset of problem solving. If a company is losing customers also, you have to be the one to find a solution to what they can do. You have to find a solution for them to help them retain their customer and also increase their customer base, right? So you have to be the one to think what can be done. You use data to figure out what the problem is, why customers are leaving, and you also use data to find out what can be done to actually retain those customers. So you need to just be a problem solver. I mean, even in the world, you can't even make money without solving problems. So you have to have that mindset of problem solving. So I hope you are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you are still watching to this point. Okay, so we'll be moving to number 4. So number 4 is, are you interested in business strategy? Yes, you might be asking, what does business strategy have to do with data analytics? Well, it's very important. It's a key point to data analytics because you have to be the one providing solutions, right? Businesses. So you need to be interested in anything that helps businesses grow or strive. You need to be interested in business strategy, things that can help businesses grow or strive. You have to be interested in helping businesses make better decisions to help their business or company grow. So your company might need advice on where to invest their stock, right? Or where to invest their profits, or where to invest their money. All right. So if you don't have any interest in stuff like that, if you don't have any knowledge in things like that, you cannot be productive as a data analyst. And remember, as I said earlier, these things are what you can learn, right? It should not scare you out of data analytics because of you don't have knowledge of these things. You can always learn them, but you just need to know the job of a data analyst. This is the job of a data analyst. You have to be the one to help them make decisions based on evidence, based on facts gotten from data, right? Gotten from data after your analysis. So you analyze a data to help them know if they should invest in so and so, if they should not invest in it, what they can do to improve their business and so on. So business strategy is very important. So you need to like business, all right? You need to like business strategy. You need to know business strategy. And if you don't know already, you have to learn it. I hope you're marking yourself. All right. So number 5 is you need to have likeness or affinity to numbers and statistics. I know a lot of people ask this question, does data analytics involve mathematics? So many people tell you, oh yes, so you need to know maths very well, you need to be very good in maths, you need to and some people are scared because they're like, I'm not so good in maths, so I don't think I should venture into this. No, you just need to like numbers and statistics. These statistics. Yes. So you don't need to like numbers and statistics, okay? You don't need to be a maths guru. You don't need to be a maths genius. You don't need to know all the formulas. You don't need to know all that. Just be someone that is free with numbers, someone that is not scared of numbers. There's some people that if they see so many numbers in one place, they just get scared. They'll be like, no, I don't want to do. I'm not interested. They don't want to have anything to do with numbers. No, you have to be someone that just like numbers. That doesn't mean you need complex math skills to be a data analyst. No, you don't really need all those things. Just like numbers, okay? Just be flexible in numbers. Just be okay working with numbers. It's very important because data analysis, when you are doing your analysis, you have to be doing a lot of calculation, like finding percentage, average, standard deviation, all those things you do there. All right. So having a liking to number or affinity to numbers and statistics is one of the things you need to have, or one of the things you need to like, or one of the qualities you need to have to be a good data analyst. Finally, we are the last one. So number 6 is, are you comfortable presenting your findings and collaboration? Are you comfortable presenting your findings and collaborating with others? Yes. Many people think that data analytics is a solo job. No, it's not a solo job. It's not something that you do on your own. You always have to be in a team. Most times you are in a company. When you are employed as a data analyst in a company, you will be working with data scientists, working with data engineers, and so on. Okay, you always have to work in a team. And also, you need to also be able to present your findings. You have to present your findings to stakeholders. You have to present your findings to managers. You have to present your findings to the people that you're analyzing the data for, so that they can be able to use your findings and make better decisions. Right? So if you're not so free, if you're not so good at that, if you're not so comfortable with that, you need to learn it. It's something you have to learn. So if you don't know that before, I'm telling you now, you always have to present it to the board of stakeholders. You always have to present those findings, because it's those findings that will help them make better decisions, right, in their company or in their business. All right, I hope you were able to learn one or two things today. So if you find this content valuable, please like, subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified when a next video is posted. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye.